Amazon FBA will never be the same. And the reason for that is AI. What does that mean for you? Well, you have two options. One, continue ignoring AI and lose out on all the benefits while AI is revolutionizing the way the marketplace works, resulting in you getting left behind and your competition taking advantage and slowly gaining market share on you. Or you can learn how to utilize the AI and use it as a supercharged tool to make you a lot more money with a lot less time and effort. That's why in this video, I'm going to show you how to utilize AI in order to start making thousands, hundreds of thousands, hell, millions of dollars if we utilize these tools correctly, take market share, and start building the best products and continuing to optimize and being the number one in the space. We can use AI to give us ideas on how to position our bullet points, what story we want to tell, how we want to position our product to be different from our competitors. A lot of automation based on good, well-trained models will help set you up for success and compete in this ever-changing landscape. How does AI even work in the first place? A machine learning model can be based on multiple different languages, Python, or it can be an NLP, a natural language processing. These modules consume data, and if we give them the rules, they will help make decisions for you in a faster and more optimal pace that we humanly could not do. The models are mainly related to PPC. We're able to use these models in PPC to help keep our ad costs down. We're able to help increase sales and overall better help with ad management in order to keep the cost optimized. ChatGPT-4, which is a natural language processing model, can help bring value to our customers. These models can help us by interpreting thousands and thousands of different reviews, understanding the processes that we make in order to take those reviews and give us product ideas in the most efficient way possible. They can read thousands of reviews if we give it a good prompt and export hundreds of ideas. The next step is to create a product table of pain points and better understand our customers' needs and how can we position this product better. It's important to understand what most customers are facing in terms of frustrations. That way we can resolve these and deliver the best product in the market. We can understand the percent of complaints. Is it 8% of people think the product quality is off? Does 12% of people think the product sizing is difficult? These are very important metrics to understand and take data-driven decision-making in order to improve these things. There's also an amazing Chrome extension called Shulex. Shulex is integrated with ChatGPT. It gives very good insights and charts on reviews of ASINs, and they only charge about $100 a month. There is a big problem with Shulex. You're only able to get a report for specific ASINs, and you can't group together ASINs. So if you're trying to get an understanding of all the market and what's going on, it can become difficult. Luckily, we have created prompts on our own. We're able to go through this. However, you might face some of those difficulties if you're using Shulex. If you're not as proficient in AI, Shulex is a great start to being able to utilize ChatGPT, and it will do the prompting for you. That way you can get started, get an understanding of how these tools work, and start utilizing them in your day-to-day, even without any prior experience. These new AI softwares have really helped speed up the process of development, and utilizing ChatGPT or Jasper or other different Amazon AI programs is so important in order to make this process go by faster, be able to think of things that you would not originally think of. AI can help us increase the pricing or decrease the pricing to help increase our conversion ratio. Amazon actually is taking advantage of AI and uses it in their products, so why shouldn't we? You can actually replicate this using a software like Proface. It's a new AI tool launched by a very big Amazon seller. The time of competing for the buy box is gone. You need to have the best price shown to the buyer so that you can kill two birds with one stone. AI pricing automation makes the customer purchase your product at the maximum profit position. That way you're taking home the most money possible. It's already doing wonders for us, and it could be for you as well. AI can help with inventory management, especially if you have thousands of SKUs. If you're in the clothing niche, etc., it's so hard to keep in stock all these different SKUs, understanding what's going on. By utilizing in-house AI softwares, we're able to get an understanding of when to order, what our lead time is. We can incorporate some of the rules that we use in our system below, so that way you have a good start in understanding proper inventory management. If you have proper dashboard management, you can create awesome dashboards to utilize with the help of an in-house coding team. You can automate the forecasting as well as the replenishment orders for your Amazon products. It will be based on a machine learning module like Arima and Python, ensuring that you never go out of stock, and it's going to be basing the decisions based on your history. It's amazing how AI can copy all the methods of how you're working and then start applying them and automating the whole process. It's so important to start automating all this stuff because it allows you to focus on much higher level decision making. I personally don't like doing $10 or $20 an hour tasks. I try to do things that are really going to turn the dial and make me $1,000, $5,000 an hour if possible. Obviously it's difficult, but it is possible with the proper automations, the proper support team, and understanding the correct processes. In the current times, when there's tons of growing competition, these AIs really help with cost optimization and being able to run your ship at an affordable cost. Suppose you have 1,000 campaigns targeting 10,000 keywords and ASINs combined. You would have to hire 3 or 4 VAs just to keep the campaign under control, let alone grow your sale. Not anymore. Now these amazing tools are coming to market that can help automate our bids. The important thing is that we have to continue to do is just implement the rules. Now the AI is going to take the rules and apply it over the campaign. This saves us tons and tons of time and allows us to focus on creating better strategies and seeing how they pan out over time. AI can help generate great reports for you. You just need to set up the metrics that you want to see, and bam, they're there for you. You don't need to play in Excel for hours anymore. These things come to you at your disposal and they're at your fingertips. We can set AI to automatically eliminate underperforming keywords on a daily basis. This stuff is huge. I know some people are big advocates of, oh, we do all the PPC manually. To me, that doesn't make sense. We can implement all these different rules and still keep a daily log and really monitor our campaign. By programming and getting the correct set of rules inside the AI, your PPC campaigns are going to dominate. If you want to keep your ACoS under 25%, the AI will manage. Managing these thousands of keywords is very important, but it's also very time consuming. So make sure to let AI handle it, and that way we can continue to focus on building the business, focusing on other aspects of the business, and figuring out what our next chess move is. A great example would be AI.hello. They're very good at managing PPC. A very good intro company to get involved with. You can create integrations with ChatGPT-4 using your own brand style, using your own brand personality with the help of a coder in order to automate your customer service process. Amazon Web Services offers this service. They call it Acera, and it's their version of their customer service representative. This can help you save time and money spent on employees or VAs and help you streamline your process and allow you to focus again on higher level activities. By integrating Jasper and all kinds of seller support cases, we're actually seeing an increased amount of resolved cases that are going in our clients' favor, as well as reducing the amount of man hours and time that is spent generally using VAs and workers that are continuing to put these cases together. AI helps with a multitude of different things, from helping save man hours to reducing the strain on your overall workforce, allowing you to focus on higher level activities, getting us important and accurate data that we're able to make accurate data-driven decisions and making the best possible chess moves in this game of Amazon. It's super imperative to employ and start practicing and teaching your team on how to utilize these tools. These algorithms help us reduce errors. They help take care of different tickets. They help us with cost optimization. They help us run our PPC ads. The opportunity here is right for the taking. These should be implemented. They're going to give you the competitive edge and help us start strategizing from a high level on how to position ourselves, and we should be utilizing these. If you have any struggles or you need someone to help you out, you can check our link out in the bio. I have a consulting agency. We love this kind of stuff. I live, breathe, sleep Amazon. For me, this is such a fun game and I love solving problems. So you can book a time with me if you want to chat. If not, look forward to talking to you next time and see you in the next video.